Namaste. Today I am excited to show you this oil painting of Lord Ram, which I called Grace of Ram. As I take you through the process of making it, I will explain why I added each element and how it connects to Lord Ram's story. In this painting, the first thing you see is the face of Lord Ram. I have painted him with a calm and divine expression because we all know Lord Ram was known for his peaceful nature and wisdom. His tilak represent his devotion and connection to God. I have added the moon here because it's a symbol of Lord Ram's birth. He was born during the phase when the moon grows brighter, which represents hope and new beginnings. Just like the moon lights up the night, Lord Ram's life brought light to his people and guide them through difficult time. I included the swan in the painting because it stands for purity and wisdom. The swan is a special bird in Indian mythology, known for its ability to separate milk from water. This reminds us of Lord Ram's wisdom, his ability to choose what is right, even in tough situations. I also added a fish, not a full fish, I added just a part, which symbolizes life and nourishment. It connects to Lord Ram's role as a protector, taking care of everyone and keeping them safe. The ocean here has a deep meaning. In the Ramayana, Lord Ram crossed the ocean to reach Lanka and rescue Sita Ma. The ocean represents the challenges we face in life, and Lord Ram teaches us that with faith and determination we can overcome any difficulty. I also wanted the ocean to remind us of Lord Vishnu because Lord Ram is an avatar of Vishnu who protects the entire universe. Through these symbols, the moon, the swan, fish, and the ocean, I wanted to show the important part of Lord Ram's journey. Each element connects with his story and brings out the value of wisdom, protection, and faith. I hope this painting reflects Lord Ram's divine qualities and brings peace to everyone who sees it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are interested in purchasing a print of this painting, Visit my website at artdimple91.com. I hope this artwork brings peace and inspiration to your space. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on my latest artwork and creative journey. Thank you so much.